Hi everyone, it's Mackenzie with WTI. I am an avid makeup wearer most days. I love a primer, and I love a primer that is hydrating, mainly because I want my skin to look nice all day long. That is this job. Milk Hydro Grip Primer is hydrating and wonderful. Now, primer is something I don't want to chintz out on, but this primer is incredible, and for the amount, you won't break the bank either. Huge plus. This one here, though, is just an all-around good product. And the reason I say that is because I have seen a true testament to the makeup that I've put on top of it. Now, you could wear this on its own because it has that light, fresh feeling, but I put on 2 pumps and I have a whole face covered. It's that light, fresh feeling. But then when I put my makeup on top, it lasts all day, but extra beautiful. It doesn't add any kind of shimmer or shine, but the hydration underneath makes my skin almost glow. I don't feel uncomfortable in my makeup all day long. Even at the end of the day, I feel like it's doing a better job. I don't feel like I have to wash it off because it feels awful. I love this product. This product has been making my makeup job look even better and last incredibly long. I know that you're gonna like it too, whether you wear a full face of makeup daily, like I do, or just a very little once in a while. Either way, you're going to love it almost as much as me. That's my point of view.